I'll give you the nod. Give him a bite.
Bring it to there.
Yeah, and what you can do at that point, you can walk out the blind with him if you want.
Okay. Let's see.
He's a strong old boy, so.
Yeah, maybe you gotta go for the puppy.
Yeah. So we eye crowd.
Is that right?
Yeah. Got all the thing at there. Yeah.
So there.
So just that's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So when you come up, just to there.
There. And keep that hand out of the way,
Yeah.
obviously.
Yeah. You can hold a stick in that one if you want, but doesn't matter.
I don't mind.
Just keep him out of the way. But when he comes in, he might just take a cheeky pop. So.
Okay.
Yeah. Chick will think it's his birthday coming out again, won't he?
Yeah, and I'm the main on
attraction.
the thing on the. No, I was going to say main part of the diet.
Gary into it.
Yeah.
Gary, stand with this leg forward a little bit.
This one?
No.
Or the other one? So
One,
there.
Yeah, otherwise, if you stand that way right, it's going to pull you over.
Okay. I'm waiting for pouring the nuts.
Just a little bit, that's it.
It also protects crown jewels a bit as well.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
So there, yeah.
Just hold it there, but don't move. Until Dean tells you, just lift it up.
Until he says, run.
No, just lift it up.
Yeah, so then bring it to there,
That's
as he
it, yeah.
says, but angled.
Yeah, angled down. Just
More than move them, like that.
yeah, just
So
up.
up,
That's
and
it.
away.
So
So,
just into
yeah.
the,
Into your chest.
so you
yeah.
okay.
so he's coming back to you like that. There. As soon as he moves that, he's going to bite. Go there. So you just keep the angle so he's got to kind of go with bite like that. Oop. You can always go peek like that. And he'll do it.
Stop eating chocolate, John.
Wow. Got me energy.
You need to eat
It's not
something.
energy, it's just slowing you down.
Here it comes.
This is when you realise fear is brown.
Sit back. Stand back in so he can't see you, boss.
Okay.
Just stand there like eyes out. And look at when he comes and barks at you, look at him.
Yeah.
Don't take your eyes off him.
How's it
Trouble
going?
is he knows
Fresh
what he's
meat?
doing now.
Right, just having a practice.
No, you feel free. It's always good for the insurers.
Before and after.
Or the people at the undertakers, they remember what I looked like beforehand.
Yeah, no,
A&E.
This is one before and this is after.
Yeah, this after. They should be able to see
you
what
can
you
go inside
can
of
see.
me.
Good boy. Good boy. Good lad. Olivia!
Give it him.
Yeah, he moved him.
Give it him.
He's strong, isn't he?
Good lad. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Good lad. Whatever you had.
Good.
Whatever you had. Good
Just
boy.
let it go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good lad.
Oh, thank you. That was fun. That really was fun.
You can see why people get addicted to it now, can't
Oh
you?
God, yeah.
Good adrenaline rush.
I think I deserve a biscuit now.
You move this a little bit like that.
So I should leave it there. Yeah. So what I should have done is set this and then
Go to another one.
As soon as you sleeve it, it'll be
Down. Just stand there if you
I've
want.
got my arm.
Just keep the sleeve there. See while he comes into you. Kind of nod to you.
Yeah.
Give me. Livy! Out! Out! Livy!
Stand still.
Stand still.
No, stand still.
Livy! Yeah.
Give him back.
lift it and go ahead.
Good lad.
Good boy.
Good boy. Super. Yeah, good lad. Good boy. Yeah, good lad. Good boy. Yeah, good lad. That's a good lad. That's it. Good boy. Yeah, good. Good lad. Okay, slip it when you're ready. Yep. Good boy. Okay.
You know you work then.
You know what? It's not his teeth you have to worry about, it's his claws.
Yeah. That's why people put scratch pads on.
Yeah, yeah. Go back, that's a bit creepy.